Hi, I'm Ryan. I'm a founder turned venture capitalist with 4F Ventures, and today I want to introduce my fund and offer you an incredible investment opportunity. The first is an $8 million fund with a $20 million cap. Terms are 2 and 20 with a $50,000 minimum investment. The theme of the fund is to invest quickly in traditionally overlooked founders building startups in e-commerce and FinTech. Let me get right into it. Why focus on traditionally overlooked founders and who are they? Well, we've all seen it happen. A massively talented and brilliant founder with a great company, but they just don't have the access or a network to raise capital. So who are these overlooked individuals? Well, they're women, people of color, immigrants, veterans, founders over 30, founders that didn't go to the right colleges, or founders from outside these tech hubs. These are the traditionally overlooked founders. What does this mean for returns? It's actually quite brilliant. Not only is the overlooked founder market an untapped $40 billion market, but because it's traditionally overlooked, most of these incredible businesses are selling equity at a discount. There's never been an opportunity quite like this. These founders have the ability to make a huge impact that not only makes good business sense for you, but also gives us a chance to put some good in the world. So how am I going to do this? While most funds are raising hundreds of millions of dollars, with my experience and relationships, it'll allow me to do more with less. So this first fund is a modest $8 million fund, but it'll likely oversubscribe, so I capped it at 20. Now let me break down the fund strategy a bit. With that $8 million, I'll invest up to $250,000 into 30 or more companies over the next 2 years. All of these investments will be follow-on and equity stakes between 3 and 15%. These companies will be either e-commerce, FinTech, or enterprise SaaS, and have at least one traditionally overlooked founder. The fee structure is 2 and 20, where 2% is the annual management fee and 20% is the amount of carry I take. Investors take the other 80%. So what makes this fund different? Well, the biggest differentiator is speed. Founders are raising faster than ever, and getting into deals is more of a challenge. Now, in most cases, I'll write the check within 48 hours after receiving the pitch. This keeps us ahead of everyone else in the game and is preferred by founders. Another is my ability to help founders close their round and to make introductions for the next. But honestly, the most important perk of 4F Ventures is staying out of the founder's way so that they can do their job. Too often I see investors waste founders' valuable time, or just too nosy, or just straight up bother a founder. I've been there before, I've lived it, I'm not going to do that. Now at this point you're probably thinking, who is this guy and why should I trust him? Well, the very simple answer is, I've done this before, a lot. And listen, bottom line is you don't get this far in business without being universally trusted. I've founded 7 companies with 3 modest exits, and I'm an angel investor of 8 with a recent exit. And I've been involved in startups since 2006 and angel investing in venture capital since 2012. Because of this, my access to deal flow is second to none, which led me to founding my own scouting company and deal flow newsletter from 2017 to 21. And I'm still a source of VC deals today. But I want to talk about trust a little more because I believe that's the most important part about raising a first fund. Your money is safe with me and will be diligently and carefully invested into 30 promising startups. But instead of just telling you, I'm going to show you. I'm hiring Carta to administer this fund, which means they'll handle and store all the investor agreements, initiate capital calls, handle the accounting and tax filings as well. As an investor in the fund, you'll be provided with a real-time dashboard where you'll see available capital, investments made, which companies, their current valuations, and the increases in valuations. I wanted you to have the best LP experience possible, and I know Carta can deliver on that. Now let's talk about deal flow, because everybody claims to have the best deal flow. Many of my friends and other entrepreneurs like myself have either raised or worked at early stage funds. I'll be co-investing in many deals with them. I also receive an incredible amount of inbound early stage deals. I attribute that to my strong brand, using every social media network resource available, and success in building relationships. This has led to a constant stream of people coming to me to share opportunities to invest. So not only are you getting access to my network, you're getting access to all the networks. I'd like your help to invest in these outstanding, traditionally overlooked founders and their startups, and in return, I'll deliver venture-sized returns. So here's my ask. If you're an accredited investor interested in making a big difference, and being a part of something incredible, plus making a lot of money, invest in my fund. Just call or email me and we'll set something up.